there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Today I have a special video for you. I'm going to share the items people keep buying repeatedly from IKEA. In other words, these are the highly satisfying products that people just can't get enough of. I gathered responses and comments from my Instagram and YouTube. I received a total of over 20,000 responses. These are must-have items you'll want to check out and avoid missing. So let's get started. The first half includes very popular standard items, while the second half features lesser known but highly useful items, so please watch until the end. Here are all the comments from the free response section on Instagram. These are the translated comments from the YouTube comment section on the last video. Some people also included usage examples, which I really appreciate. First, I specifically asked about items that I thought many people would likely buy repeatedly. Firstly, and I think this is unique to Japan, 2,149 people said they've bought IKEA freezer bags multiple times. These are the exclusive freezer bags from the Shibuya store. Aren't they adorable? They're a bit pricey though. Cutting the top off the freezer bag box like this makes it easy to pull out the bags, which I recommend. Here are the mini lemon patterned ones I bought recently. They're cute and perfect for summer, right? Next up is this. Can you guess what it is? It's the blue IKEA shopping bag. 2,078 people said they repeatedly buy this bag. Next is the Scub storage items. Scub is unique to IKEA, so you can only buy them at IKEA. Following that is the Risatorp basket. Now, similar products are available from other companies, but IKEA offers various sizes and colors. Many people buy different sizes and colors. The smaller sizes have recently become cheaper. This dark gray one is a new color. The design is super cute, and it's made of steel, making it very sturdy. No matter what you put in it, it looks great, which is very satisfying. Next is the TOF-TBO bath mat. This bath mat is extremely popular. It recently became cheaper and has excellent absorbency, so it doesn't get soggy even after the family uses it. That's its best feature. Next is the Rinning kitchen cloth. I also buy this repeatedly. Some people simply answered kitchen cloth, so this one got a bit split in the ratings. IKEA sells many kitchen cloths. The 79 yen Hildegun kitchen cloth was also very popular. Next is the Flodes basket. This one also recently became cheaper. It's very convenient for rough storage. I use it to hide the cables behind my TV, and it contains the cushions and throws I use in the living room. It's functional, cute, and cheap, which makes it an unbeatable item. Here's a comment from YouTube about how their cat made it into a bed. So cute. One item that personally stood out the most in this survey is these rubber gloves. For some reason, people have a lot of love for these rubber gloves. Funny way to put it. I received many DMs expressing their love for these gloves. Everyone mentioned the length, fit, and durability as the best features. They're priced at 199 yen, which has gone up a bit, but they're very durable, so the cost performance is good. Next is the tray. Personally, I think it's very durable. I've been using it for about 3 to 4 years and it's still going strong. Also, since it's made of bamboo, it's easy to rinse with water, which I find very convenient. Next is rechargeable batteries. It's been a few years since IKEA stopped selling alkaline batteries and switched to rechargeable ones, and it seems like they've really caught on. IKEA's rechargeable batteries are made in Japan, so they are reliable and cheap. Recently, there are even portable lights that use these rechargeable batteries, allowing you to charge them directly with a Type-C cable. Next, and this was a bit surprising, are the Bivara clips. Honestly, I've also bought these in different sizes, but once you buy them, you probably have enough to last a lifetime. Doesn't everyone end up with a massive number of clips when they buy them repeatedly? The key feature of IKEA's clips is that they're freezer safe. Next is the Roskog wagon, the larger one. Many comments and DMs mentioned people owning 3 or more of these wagons. Once you buy one, you tend to want more. It seems to be a very attractive product. Next is the Kongsfors magnetic clips. These are known for their extremely strong magnets. The design is also very stylish. In a previous video, I mentioned that you can find similar items at 3Coins. But many comments said, no, the magnetic strength is completely different. It seems IKEA's strong magnetic clips are unbeatable. Next are the coasters. I have several of these myself. They're great as coasters, of course, but because they have a slight edge, I use them as small trays. I use them to hold screws during assembly or as a lid for candles. Candles tend to gather dust, you know. Some people use them as jewelry trays. I think placing items on a tray instead of directly on the table gives a sense of order. Next are the cutting boards. I counted the votes from people who mentioned specific product names. I use a set of 2 cutting boards in different sizes. The smaller size is surprisingly handy for cutting small items. They're dishwasher safe. Many people have been using them for years and replace them as needed. Next is Potpourri. I like the berry scented ones, and they're now priced at 69 yen. They have a nice, subtle fragrance. Next are the Trådfröj bulbs. Trådfröj is IKEA's smart bulb series. They come in standard bulb shapes and also stylish Edison-like designs. They're very affordable. There are various types, including ones that can adjust color temperature and others that are dimmable. They also sell sensors. Our home is filled with Trådfröj bulbs. Next are paper napkins. The designs change frequently, so I end up buying them often. I store them in 1.12 freezer bags, which makes them easy to take out and use. Just placing one under some snacks makes them look much nicer. One item that stood out in the survey responses was this horse-shaped sponge. People said the size is very convenient. Next are the Voxjon towels. Many people just wrote towels, so the votes were somewhat split. IKEA sells a lot of towels. The Voxjon series has many size and color variations. They're fairly thin, but very easy to use. I like using the mini bath towel size. They also have a loop for hanging, which makes them very convenient. Next are candles. IKEA is famous for its affordable candles. They also have many stylishly designed candle containers. The scent tends to dissipate quickly, so I seal them when not in use. Not sure if it helps though. Unscented candles are also very cheap. These come in packs of 20, I think. Tea light candles are also very affordable. Next are the glass containers. The quality of IKEA's glass containers is very good, and the lids are sold separately, so you can mix and match. Many people commented that they like the bamboo lids. I also love the bamboo lids. Recently, I've been using these silicone lids a lot. They're a bit pricey, but once you start using them, they're really convenient. They have great air tightness, almost like they're vacuum sealed. And they're very easy to open and close. They're thick and not flimsy, if you know what I mean. Sorry for the expression. They're sturdy and easy to handle, which I really like. Next is a larger item, the Skogstad stool. There were people who said they bought this in different sizes. I also have the bench from the same Skogstad series, though it's probably discontinued now. I really like it. It's super cute, right? Next is the Chenaphile box. It's made of paper, but it's surprisingly sturdy. Many people commented that they buy a lot because they're cheap. I think the texture is beautiful because it's made of paper. Can you see the damage here? The bottom right corner is a bit torn. That's where it tends to wear out. I really like the little window at the bottom because you can see what's inside without it being too obvious. But it doesn't show too much, so it looks neat. In my child's room, I use them like this inside the Billy bookshelf. They fit perfectly in the depth of the Billy shelf. Muji's file boxes stick out a bit from the Billy bookshelf. Next, many people mentioned frying pans and the Fixa self-adhesive pads for chair legs. There were also many mentions of the hangers you see here. The votes for hangers were somewhat split, but it was surprising how many people have a lot of these black hangers. Other items mentioned included the off-task dishware, charging cables, and clocks. Thank you all for your many responses to this survey. I really appreciate everyone who participated. Special thanks to those who left detailed comments. I'd love to hear more about what you keep buying from IKEA or how you use these items. Your feedback is always welcome. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.